Hey, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. I have a question for you. Do you own food in your house? Do you have a pantry? Do you have cupboards with food in your house? Here's your challenge this week. When's the last time you checked expiration dates? It is so important to pull all of those things out of the pantry. Start checking expiration dates, kind of purge, get rid of food that's no longer good. And let's put back the stuff you have. Take a nice inventory of everything you have and maybe things you need to replace. For me, it's my spices. I need to toss out some of my old spices and they need to go refill them with current spices. We love to cook at our house and just having those fresh spices makes a world of difference. And honestly, every time I, purge my pantry, I actually feel more motivated to cook and get fresh ingredients and go restock and just kind of take a full new approach on what we're cooking for the week. So if you haven't checked out your pantry or cupboards in a long time, I encourage you this week to go and check those expiration dates. All right, let me know how it goes and I'll see you next week for another Just the Tip.